And at number one, if you want more functionality, especially for deeper learning and interaction with your mind maps, MarginNote 4 takes the crown. It will genuinely blow your mind. You can use it to simplify your notes into something clean and usable, or you can build a massive detailed system that connects everything. Either way, the possibilities feel endless, and that's exactly why we love it. The real standout is flashcards. MarginNote is the only app that integrates flashcards so naturally that it barely feels like extra work. Flashcards happen along your annotations and your mind map in the same workflow. So by the time you finish working through a document, you don't only have highlights and scribbles, you end up with a mind map and a set of flashcards ready for the next part of your learning process. And honestly, that's the main reason to choose MarginNote over Liquid Text. So, which app do you think should have made it on this list that's genuinely worth trying? And is there one app here you think we should appreciate a little bit more than we did? Drop it in the comments because I'm always looking for the next app that earns a proper spot in a real workflow. And until next time, fantastic human, stay fantastic.